Hi, Tina here. So today has been quite eventful. This morning I was getting ready in my bedroom and we heard a big splat, and I looked down and it was a great spotted woodpecker that had hit our window, but he was still breathing but just not really moving. So we could see he was trying to move, so we made the decision to ring the vets. And we've got Straightons in Penkridge. They've got a vet's hospital, and they very kindly said I could take him in. And I could see, you know, he just couldn't move his wings or anything. So we've taken him in. They've checked him all over. They've looked after him for a few hours, and they've said that they think it was just concussion. So I'm just going to release him now. So it's quite exciting. I'm not sure if he'll fly off or, you know, little mate. We should move him into the shade, eh? I'm going to move him into the shade. Come on, little buddy. You're home now. Come on. Into the shade. They did say he might take a while before he flies off, so you're home now. Such a beautiful, beautiful bird. We're so fortunate to have a family of them in our garden. Let's leave it.